You to walk us through this. You can get in David Paul's ear as well.
Well, that's clearly a tornado.
This is near Atascocita.
This is the one that crossed the north side of Lake Houston.
That's right. And I'm going to put the radar up so we can also see how that's going to be the same as the report that we have had as a tornado. It's just, again, the new data is like filtering into our radar.
Well, that's tremendous video. So that is obviously a very well-formed funnel cloud. It may be skirting the surface. Looks like it may be skirting over Lake Houston. So again, this is video you're seeing from near Atascocita about a half an hour ago as our tornadic thunderstorm crossed.
And look at that. That's going to line up exactly with what our radar detected as well.
Yeah.
So with the storm reports, just
that one right there as it raced through.
Yep.
That's what produced that tornado video that you're seeing right now from about a half an hour ago from the north side of Lake Houston near Atascocita. I'm surprised that we haven't gotten any look. You can see how it's picking water up off the surface of the lake. Yeah. Amazing.
You know, and I'm so glad, you know, if you can safely get videos and pictures. I mean, really, everyone at home right now, you are our eyes, and this is how we're able to communicate. You know, so many times across, you know, our entire area, you may be seeing an active tornado and somebody else is saying we're under partly cloudy skies. And so this is a way that we can show our viewers, everyone at home, like, hey, look at what your friends and family just about 30 minutes away from your home is seeing right now. And, you know, that line of thunderstorms moved through so fast, areas just west of town.